Hello, now that this pandemic is lifted, we're getting asked these very similar questions, and one of them has to do with home touring and the virtual home tours and pictures that you've seen throughout 2020 and into 2021. They are excellent. There's no question about it for the most part. And, it's different from photographer to photographer and firm to firm, but they are excellent. But nonetheless, as you know, we are major advocates for actually seeing a house, seeing a community. There's no substitute for that, no matter how good your tours are. But be that as it may. So, virtual or in person, when you're selling a house, remember that. We want to have it staged when people come in to see your house. They want to move in there. They have to have your home. And you want to get a real bidding war going, not just something minor. You want to have 2 or 3 people who see your house and say, this is my house, I have to buy it. You only get that with an in-house tour. So yes, we agree with it. And your realtor, especially if you're on the buy side, now we'll answer these questions. And remember, as a seller, these are the questions that buyers are going to be asking you. Make sure whoever you're using as an agent is asking you, what is the age of the home, the structural things, roof, water heater, HVAC, what renovations have been done, what are the utility costs. If the home was on the market before and didn't sell, why not? What were the objections you heard from other buyers? Maybe the price was too high, maybe there was something about the neighborhood or the home itself. We don't know, but you need to ask that. And HOA fees, condo fees, that type of thing. This is just a short list, there's many more. But if you're buying, before you even see any single house, make a list of the must-haves. Certain things that you absolutely have to have in your house, and don't compromise on that. That's the recommendation from here. These things also apply to a seller trying to list their home and stage it in a way to attract that buyer. So get a good realtor. Don't rely on the internet. Don't rely on pushing one of those buttons on Realtor.com or somewhere else saying, send me an agent or send me information. Don't do that. Get yourself a real agent who knows the neighborhood, knows how to work.